It's nothing new that I'm going to talk today, but I really felt a pressing need to understand that yoga is extremely, extremely beneficial for our physical well being. But how many of us do know that yoga is also beneficial for our mental well being? And as we know, that the mental health is most important, because if your mind is not healthy, I'm sorry to say, your body cannot keep up all the time. So you need to have a healthy mind and a healthy body. So I take the occasion of International Yoga Day to speak about certain benefits that yoga provides for our mental health. Because to be more specific, it does affect our mental health. Now, you may ask me how. Number one, the relief from depression and anxiety. Yes, you will be surprised to know that because yoga is a combination of exercise, meditation, relaxation, and even socialization. It's a wonderful way to relieve anxiety or depression, because by regulating your stress response system, clearing your mind of thoughts, you can focus on the present and calm down your nervous system. Yoga plays a key role in bringing balance and peace back into your hectic life. Plus, yoga also has the ability to reduce your heart rate, respiration rate, blood pressure, and thereby relaxing you and easing your anxiety and nervousness without having to use any prescription drugs. Isn't that a big, big thumbs up for yoga? Number two, yoga reduces the effects of PTSD and similar conditions. Yoga may also help you deal with different types of stress. PTSD, for example, because many studies have shown us that participants in programs who did yoga were much more resilient, they had less anxiety, less stress, and they performed much better than those who did not do yoga. So that's the second thumbs up that we have for practicing yoga for our own mental health. Number three, yoga definitely boosts your concentration, and it helps you focus and improves your memory, because you have to focus during the practice when you're doing your yoga asanas or any kind of exercise. When you're practicing any asana also, you are turning inward and really listening to your body, so you don't push yourself too far or maybe injure yourself. So you are always required to focus on the focal point, especially in the balancing postures. So it is hard to think that any kind of balance and form can be withstood without improving your concentration, and it also clears all the noise in your mind and calms you down, and you clear the space for better memory. So that's the third thumbs up for improving our concentration and memory by doing yoga. Fourthly, I must say that the yoga improves our moods immensely, because today's generation, where hormones are playing a havoc, they have so many mood swings, and they are all the time irritable, negative, angry. So you may be pleased to learn that a small study has found that individuals that consistently do yoga have higher levels of GABA in their brain. Now, what's GABA, you may ask? It is a neurotransmitter in your brain that's responsible for the way you feel. those with low levels might suffer from depression, anxiety, and other negative emotions. But yoga will help you boost your GABA levels so you can release the negative emotion and moods and replace them with better ones and reap more self confidence and joy in your life. So, that's the fourth thumbs up for doing yoga. And lastly, I must tell you this point also, that yoga keeps your brain young. It is yet another psychological benefit of yoga, which is the ability for us to maintain the health and vitality of our brain even into old age, because studies have found that those who practice yoga and meditation have more resilient brain as well as improved brain function, particularly in older participants. So if you want to keep your brain young, well oxygenated, and calm, yoga is certainly a tool you should use to stay vital in body and mind. This is me, Jyoti Sapru, psychological counselor, signing off with this message on International Yoga Day. Let us make it a way of life. Yes, yoga is the way of life. Thank you, everybody, for watching.